Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you're staring at your iPhone 11 and you've completely forgotten the passcode, whether you've entered the wrong code too many times and now see iPhone unavailable or your device is disabled, there are reliable ways to fix it. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 effective methods to unlock your iPhone 11 and regain access, even without the passcode. The first method uses the built-in recovery option available on devices running iOS 15.2 or later. Start by entering the wrong passcode multiple times until you see the Forgot Passcode or Erase iPhone option appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and select the option to erase the iPhone. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password to confirm and sign out of the device. Once verified, your iPhone 11 will erase itself completely, removing the passcode and allowing you to set it up again. For method 2, you can go with the official method using iTunes on Windows or Finder on a Mac. Connect your iPhone 11 to your computer using a USB cable, then put the device into recovery mode. Once your computer detects the device, you'll see options to restore or update. Choose Restore, and the system will download the latest firmware, wipe the device completely, and remove the passcode. Just keep in mind that this method works best if Find My iPhone was turned off. If neither of those methods works for you, the most reliable option is to use a professional tool like PassFab iPhone Unlock. After downloading and installing the software on your computer, open it and select the option to unlock the iOS screen. Connect your locked iPhone 11 and follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. Once the device is detected, download the required firmware package and then click to start the screen lock removal process. The software will completely erase the device and remove the passcode within a few minutes. Like the other methods, this will erase all data on your device, which is part of Apple's security system. And that's it. Your iPhone 11 will restart to the Hello Setup screen, fully unlocked and ready for you to set up as new or restore from a backup. If this tutorial helped you get back into your phone, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.